Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you a different way to pluck the feathers off of your chickens. Last time we butchered our chickens, we did it by hand. It just takes too long. Today we're going to try to do 3 roosters. We need to cut back the flock down to 1 rooster. And let me explain why we're cutting back 3 roosters.
Alright, so we have 4 roosters. 3 are black Australorps, and 1 is the barred rock, and he's over there. His name's Sonic, and he's super friendly. But the 3 Australorps are not nice, and we just have too many for the amount of hens that we have. They're going bald on their necks, and it's just, we don't need that many. So we're going to get rid of the 3 Australorps, and then since the, watch out Kaylee, since the pecking order is going to be messed up, we are going to introduce our baby chicks, well they're not really babies anymore, to the flock. They will be 11 weeks old on Monday, so they're old enough to
get around with the big ones.
Yep. Should be just fine.
I
told you they're mean!
Main thing. Oh yeah.
Alright, this time we got ourselves a cone.
Let them sit there for a little bit.
Alright.
We're not.
Number 2.
Number 2. At 150. Okay.
There we go.
All right. Okay, so I ordered this off of eBay for about 20 bucks or so. This is called the Power Plucker. And what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to clamp your drill to the side of a workbench or a table, hold the trigger while someone else plucks the chicken with the Power Plucker. We might end up doing that, but what I want to try first is sticking the chicken in this pot here and then just using the drill like that, throwing the chicken around like a regular plucker. We're going to see if that works. Okay, so here's our first chicken. I'm just going to stick them down in the pot. Then I'm going to run this Power Plucker while Kelsey runs the hose real gently. Maybe if I do it like this. That doesn't seem to be working that well, does it? Okay, well we're going to set this up differently then. The way you're supposed to do it. It was worth a try. Now we'll try it the way you're supposed to do it. Alright, go ahead. And there you have it. What a difference that makes. It makes a mess. You get feathers all over yourself, but wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I took my time on that one. I was trying to clean it up. I'm going to have Kelsey Thomas here. Alright, I can already tell you this is way faster than doing it by hands, especially for these Australorps. They got so many little tiny feathers on them. But this time, Kelsey's going to time us, and we're going to see how long it takes. And I'm really cleaning them up good here too. Alright, ready? Go.
Ready, set, go.
Woo! What's our time?
Alright, 2 minutes, 36 seconds, and...
Put it up there. Put it up there. 2 minutes, 37 seconds. Way faster than what we could have done it by hand. And I'm even cleaning them up real nice too. And there's like not even any little hairs on it either. So that's going to make cleaning even easier.
Yeah, that's what we had trouble with last time.
Yeah, that's what we had trouble with last time. Alright. I don't know if Kelsey explained it to you or not. The reason why, after I dunked it in the hot water at 150 degrees and then sprinted over here to our ice water, was because if you dunk it in ice water right after you stick it in the hot 150 degree water, you're less likely to break the skin with this thing. And so far it's worked. We haven't broke the skin at all. Alright. One thing I will say about this thing, it hurts when these fingers hit your fingers. So maybe you need to wear a pair of gloves or something. It stings a little bit. But I mean, we never would have got 3 roosters done that quick. And that's the hard part, you know. So, and I'd also recommend having something here to catch all the feathers. Of course, we got some behind us here, but most of it went into the wheelbarrow there. Okay, so we just got done butchering the 3 roosters. Now what we want to do is try to move in our chicks. Well, they're not really chicks anymore, with the rest of the flock. Okay, let's see what happens here.
All right. Come on, babies. Being over there because I haven't been there in.
One just pecked at him.
Well, they do that to each other. That's normal.
Alright, so we had our first frost last night, so I'm going to shut our watering system down for the winter. If you're new to the channel, I have a gravity-fed watering system. Catches rain off the gutters of this chicken coop, comes down into a barrel, and then out into these watering cups. They push on those with their beaks, and water comes out. Now, I've only filled this up once, and this was when I first installed it. I put 10 buckets in it, and ever since then, I've never put any more in the barrel. And we've had a pretty dry summer this year too, so I'm interested to see how much water is going to drain out. Wow, that drained for a long time. There was more water in that barrel than what I thought. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do to winterize this watering system is I'm just going to take this PVC pipe apart where it comes out of the gutter and just leave this apart. And I'm going to take this piece out of the barrel. I'm just going to lay it on the ground. That way nothing goes into the barrel and this can just hit the ground. I guess I'm going to have to throw away my t-shirt water filter and get a new one for next year. It worked out really good. Look how much stuff it stopped this time. Bunch of junk. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. That was definitely a good investment for us because we don't butcher that many chickens around here. But man, that saved so much time plucking the feathers off the chickens. It wasn't that hard either. Some of you have been asking about the watering system, what I was going to do with it this winter, so I hope that explains that. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button if you like the channel. And until next time, thanks for watching.